This 2016 Keystone Montana High Country 305RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fife, Washington, 98424 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Fife. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6 and 64 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Keystone Montana High Country 305RL is 10,120 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.